Okay, I'm going to walk around each side, try to get a close-up for you. Start on the left. Really no scratches or scuff marks on the sides. Better shape than I remembered. So here's where your normal wear areas would be from people putting their hands. Still good shape. Okay, operator's panel's got a few flaws from wear. The worst is around the ball naturally. Right there. Not bad overall. There is a few cigarette burns up here. And a couple on the right hand side. Everything's still intact, 40 years old. The right side. Alright, 3 sides on the top. Now I got bad news. This machine hadn't been turned on in a few years, and I went to turn it on, and the monitor pooped, died out. So we can talk about that later, or not talk about it at all. I'm going to pause this so I can move it, and I'll show you the back side and the interior. Okay, got the back, moved it, took the back cover off. I'll show you the interior's got diagrams for setting up the machines. It's still here. Slightly yellowed after 40 years. Okay, here's your on-off switch right here. It's just a toggle. Full set of parts manuals, electrical diagrams, operator's manual, everything. Operation service manuals. Electrical diagrams. Pretty much everything. One in this book over here has the parts list if you needed to order parts. Don't know who you'd go to, but okay, this is what we was just looking at earlier. So there's your ball mechanism. players 1 and 2, coin mechanism, power supplies, safety switch for when the cover's on and off. It's another safety switch up here. They got to turn 90 degrees up, so that way you can open the coin operation door and it won't kill the machine. You can put that back. It's been like that ever since I had it. Here's the main control board. It's in good shape except for a little bit dusty. Changing out that monitor would not be difficult at all. It would come out the front. I think if you wanted to keep it around for years, I would retrofit it, put a flat screen LED in there. I'm sure there's somebody out there doing that. I got one more thing I want to show you. I think it's kind of interesting. It shows the history of the machine. Hold on. So there's your coin box. It goes right there, but it's interesting. When they put this machine in service, they always wrote down how many games were played. Look at this chart here. This thing was put into use in down here at the bottom, March of '82. See, it goes from the bottom to the top. It comes over here. We're into '83. Picks up '83 on the other side. 84. See over here, we're down 84. That shows up through October of '84, and then they stopped keeping track of it. Anyway, so up through '84, '85. 4,400 games were played one side and 9,000 on the other coin op. Neat little bit of history.